Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to review a game on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see several menu options. Click on Library to access your collection of games. This is where all the games you own are displayed and organized for easy access. Now, in the left panel, you'll see a list of all your games. Browse through this list and click on any game you'd like to write a review for. It could be a game you've been enjoying lately or one you feel strongly about, whether positive or negative. Selecting the game will bring up its main page within your library. Next, click on Store page. This will redirect you to the official Steam store page for that particular game, where all public information, screenshots, and user reviews are displayed. This is the hub where potential buyers go to learn more about the game before purchasing. Scroll down until you find the Write a Review section. Below this heading, you'll see a text field where you can compose your thoughts about the game. Click on this text field and start typing your review. Share your honest experience, highlight what you enjoyed or didn't enjoy, and provide useful information that can help other gamers make informed decisions about whether to purchase the game. Now look at the right panel where you'll find additional options to customize your review. If you want to allow other Steam users to comment on your review and engage in discussion, simply check the box that enables comments. This can lead to helpful conversations and different perspectives on the game. Also in the right panel, you can select whether you recommend this game to other players or not. You'll see options to click either yes or no. This is an important part of your review because it gives viewers a quick summary of your overall opinion before they read your full thoughts. Once you're satisfied with your review and have configured all the settings to your preference, click Post Review in the right panel. Your review will then be published on the game's store page for the entire Steam community to see and read. And that's it. You've successfully shared your gaming experience with the Steam community through a detailed review. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.